Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone iOS is updated and Bgmi is installed. Next, open the game and tap the account/login area. Choose Google as the sign-in method. You will be redirected to Apple's account chooser if multiple Google profiles exist. Enter the Google email and password when prompted and allow Bgmi to request access. Once done, make sure to read the permission prompts so the game can link your progress to that Google account. After selecting your Google profile, you need to authorize Bgmi explicitly. Tap Allow for the requested permissions so the game can read basic account info. This step creates the link between your Google identity and game data. If two-factor prompts appear, complete them quickly. Once authorized, return to Bgmi and open Settings account to confirm the linked email or player ID. If the email matches, you've successfully associated your Google account. If not, sign out and reattempt selection carefully. Finish by completing any in-game prompts and the tutorial so cloud save data syncs to Google. You should see your player name and connected email under Account Settings. This ensures progress will restore if you reinstall. Make sure automatic cloud save is enabled in game options. If something goes wrong, such as sign-in failures or missing data, force close Bgmi, restart the phone, and try signing in again. If that fails, remove the Google account from iOS and re-add it before repeating the link process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.